Hi, this is Zach Mead from Zach's Traders Cafe with a look at some single stocks on Thursday the 18th of August. Starting off with Evraz, where we've got support consistently at or above the 20-day moving average at £1.68 over the last couple of months. Above that on an end-of-day close basis, and the share price target could be as high as £2.05, which is the top of this rising trend channel from March. RSI at 62, so still plenty of scope for the shares to stretch higher on that oscillator basis. Cows Minerals is next, and here we see the double bear trap rebound for the shares for June and then going into July, clearing the 50-day moving average at the first attempt at the end of last month, and then another situation here where we've got the 20-day moving average of support, 155, while above that, looking for the shares to head back towards that April peak, just under 200 pence over the next month or so, 197, that peak there for April. On to another stock which is in the news today, Premier Oil. Apparently returned to profitability, but gap through the 50-day moving average at the beginning of the week at 68 pence, and really well above that, heading towards the 100 pence level at the top of a rising trend channel, which can be drawn from December last year. Any dips towards the 50-day line currently regarded as a buying opportunity. On to stock which has been a real recovery situation over the recent past, Restaurant Group. Beautiful turnaround there after the exhaustion bear trap reversal. Support here coming in at and above the 10-day moving average over recent days and weeks, and that's at £3.85. What we should see over the near term is support come in towards that feature with a target as high as 500 pence over the next 1 to 2 months, especially while we hold above the £4 zone. Savills, the estate agent, is also in focus at the moment. Hit the 200-day moving average at 756 yesterday. Probably have another go at breaking that over the next few sessions. Interesting that we've got the top of that gap there at 735, and really, while we really need to see the shares break back above that in order to give the retest of the 756 200-day moving average line. But the RSI at 63 with a rebound well above the neutral 50 level, something which suggests that the momentum is still here in terms of recovery. On to Thomas Cook. Situation looks rather flat in terms of the price action over the near term. What we need to look out for over the next few sessions is whether the shares can break the 50-day moving average at 62 pence. That's the blue line. If we can do that by the end of this week or early next week, then one would be reasonably confident that the shares will head back up towards the 70 pence area, which was July resistance. Staying in the travel area and finishing off with TUI. Here we've got the 200-day moving average in focus. That's at £10.63. We hit it at the end of last week. Support normally at the 10-day moving average at £10.13, and while we're above that on an end-of-day close basis, looking for a retest of that 200-day line. Above the 200-day line, then targets as high as £11 for September. That's it from me. More updates at the same time tomorrow.